In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Cash App further action required. So there are two reasons why this error may occur. So for the first one here, what you want to do is click on the transaction history on the main page of Cash App here. And the reason why you get this further action required message is because the recipient has manual acceptance turned on. So they gotta actually go to their transaction history, which is this button here with the clock, and they gotta manually accept the transaction itself. So right here, if they click on the three dots, they should see an option called accept payment. That's the first reason. For the second reason is because you have incorrectly sent the payment. So you may have gotten a part of their cash tag wrong, or another reason here. So you may have gotten their name wrong, their phone wrong, or their email. And what this is going to do essentially is the payment will be pending for 24 hours. And if you have incorrectly set or sent it, it is going to be canceled and refunded. So that's basically what you can do. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.